1968 Suburban. Welcome back to the channel. This is our 1968 GMC Suburban build, and in today's video we're going to be driving around for the first time ever. I can't believe it. We're so excited. We've got the seats bolted in, at least in the front. The back seats we're going to have to make some adjustments. Front seats are good to go. Our new dash pad looking good. We've also got our gauge cluster installed. That's looking really nice as well. Oh, and I've got something else to show you guys. We're getting in the Halloween spirit. You'll definitely be seeing more of this later, but for now, a quick history about this build. We picked up the 68 Suburban from Silver City, New Mexico. It used to be an old rescue truck that worked down in the mines, so this truck has a lot of history. We ended up putting a 5.3 LS in it, and everything's running really good. The drive shaft was a perfect fit, so we got that installed, and we drove it down the driveway. That is awesome! Now it's time to see how this beast does out on the streets.
Shut your door. Try it.
Alright, this is the first time we've ever driven this 1968 Suburban.
We're in third gear.
Third gear? How's it feel?
Feels like an old car. Brakes. GPS speedometer.
So all the gauges are working?
Looks like everything's working. 14 rear fuel. Temperature is 190.
Just finished taking it on its first drive, and you can see the oil spots that are leaking. It's leaking out of the valve covers, so we're definitely gonna have to fix that. The valve covers were leaking oil and causing a bunch of smoke, so we just finished installing the stock valve covers on the 5.3 LS. We went ahead and got some new gaskets. Hopefully those aren't going to leak. And we also wired up the fan switch. It's still going to smoke a little bit because of the oil that was left on there, but as far as we can tell, we don't see any new oil leaks. We've got the air cleaner put back on. We're ready to go cruising around.
According to the GPS speedometer, we're doing 40.
Yeah, you look great driving.
sketchy as hell.
Yeah, a little bit.
Brakes, steering, not running 100%.
No. Definitely not, but we're having fun. This road and the bridge that we're about to go over is part of the old historic Route 66, which I think is really awesome.
It's in neutral. You really won't have to give it much gas, just let out on the clutch real easy. Maybe not even let out on the clutch all the way. Clutch. Here, we need to go a little farther. You gotta have room to get the Del Sol in.
Holy crap.
Either shut it
off.
Try not to get a bunch of exhaust in here.
That was hard.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Yeah, That was rough. I'm definitely gonna have to get used to that clutch. It was kicking my butt a little bit, but we've got the Suburban back home. We put 14 miles on it today. That sunset was gorgeous. We really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up if you did. Let us know down in the comments what you think of the build, and hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more. Thank you all so much, and we'll see you in the next video.